Alright, good evening. I'm Vice Forecaster JD Rapp with you again in the Breaking Weather Center. The National Weather Service have a couple tornado warnings down in the Oklahoma area. We're continuing to track that and bring you updates on the potentially stormy pattern right now down there. Hopefully Isaac Schaff can join us eventually so we want to do these quick update. Not going to be on long with you because alright, we do have a couple tornado warnings in process. This runs from 8:45 north central Delaware County, north central Oklahoma, south central Mason County, north central Oklahoma to around 8:45. 8:15, severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was near Salinan, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazards, tornado. So, like I said, this is a radar indicated tornado. We're not really potentially we could see some spin, some rotation with this. Alright, just getting more warnings in the Texas area, so that's one thing. And we still got this tornado warning that runs effect at 8:30. And you can see both of these, one to expire at 8:30 and one at 8:45. This storm is booking at 40 miles an hour. Check for hail with this. The less hail we got, but the pretty decent low updrafts. Looking for debris. There's a little something there. I don't know if that's clutter. Let me check here, and you can see that doesn't look too good. When you see that little debris spot, we're going to have to watch that. So something could be spinning up with this. Right there. You're going to have to watch that storm, that tornado warning real closely. And you can see that still is booking around 40 miles an hour. So this is very fast storm. Once you got storms of moving like that fastly, that's not going to be good. So the tornado warning goes into effect around 8:45. We could see we've been tracking some strong storms. We've got several reports coming in. Mainly some wind damage tonight with this classic little line of storms. We'll take all the warnings off. I just want to show everybody you quick, if I can. Alright, and you can see how fast this line's been moving like that. That's where you see your strong line of thunderstorms moving in, and that's why we've been watching this, that you can get some spin-ups, and that's what we're kind of worried about tonight, and that's why we're continuing to let you know. So we got one report coming in of tree limbs blown and shingles are down, blown off. So we got some shingles blown off. That is probably because we did have a few sails with that line. When we're checking with our velocity scan, this is just to tell you we had any more couplets forming. That's rotation, and that's why we have to. So watch these sails real closely. You can see now it's starting to little something there by Myers. But the tornado warning goes in effect at 8:45 tonight. This is booking at 40 miles an hour. And you can see less hail is there. So we don't really have any hail with the storm at all. And 0.75 inches of hail has been, that's still very low hail. So let me pull up this. And this has been a line of thunderstorms. And alright, now this is not going to load, but this severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Jack County, Central Texas, Dayton County in Central Texas, Wees County in Central Texas. Second, I'm sorry about that. At 8:21, a severe thunderstorm was located along the line extended from Curran to Jacksburg, moving southeast at 40, so 60 miles of wind gusts and quarter-size hail with this. So this is going to be mainly a damaged and straight line wind threat. You know, you can get winds and you can get very large hail with this. And that's why we're concerned with these storms are going to be a lot of hail producers. 1.25, that's $half. 1 inch was reported. So that's another situation. And we're just getting some more reports in Oklahoma now. I'll switch back to our radar. And you can see we already had one report coming in of 2 reports of 60 miles of wind. So that just tells you we're getting some wind damage a lot. And these sails here, and these scatter ones I don't like seeing, these how you get rotation. And I'm going to check and see if this is just going to be a hail threat. It's increasing for hail, but you know, it's hard telling because each one of these could have some spinning. Like these sails rotate like this. This is how we get these small spin ups. I mean, I don't want to talk about your long track tornadoes tonight, but these are your spin ups you get many times. We get these sails that rotate. So just a second. Alright, we're back. I'm just doing some checking here. Let's check here a little closely. We still have the tornado warning, and now the severe thunderstorm warning. And checking, just like to check sails here. I mean, we're about ready. We'll probably won't be on long, but that one tornado warning remains in effect at 8:45. And this this tornado warning is just a radar indicator tornado. Nothing has been spotted. And we'll change in with our animate this line of thunderstorms, and you can see how fast it's moving. So Bentonville, we need to be watching that cell easy. Very little hail we have. Hail's not going to be our concern right now, but hail could be our concern later. But 80% of this coming severe. But you know, I'm just like to check. You know, some of these could be starting to tide up. When they tide up like this is how we get rotation. That means like the gust front could be catching up, and I hope it does, because once the gust front starts catching up, then I think we'll at least see. So severe thunderstorm warnings are going to expire eventually. And you can see this tailing line of storm just mainly going to be turning into 60 miles of wind gusts with quarter-size hail with them. And you can see $half, maybe some spinning there, but it doesn't look like the. So we only got the one tornado warning, and once Isaac comes on, we probably won't stay with you too long, is because we only got the one warning, and now part of that has got card back. So that's some good news. This is an 8:30 update. This storm could be getting ready to expire, and that if it does, that'll be some fantastic news. I mean, we might even decide to send things back pretty soon. But just take a look here, look at radar. We'll animate this while we're on. And you can see right now, you know, we got storms moving in. There's checking our comments on here.